There is a book. The name of the book is The Power of Self Discipline, No Excuses. You will get 30 seconds. In 30 seconds you need to tell something about this book. Whatever you have learned from this book, that you can explain. Okay, so please start now.
Hello everyone, my name is Zumayado and today's my discussion topic is No Excuses book and The Power of Self-Discipline, writer Brian Tracy. And if I talk about what I learned in this book, so I learned so many things in this books. How to discipline yourself, and you want to become a successful person in your life. Most of the people they don't successful in our life because they don't apply in our life how to discipline yourself. And if you know what is the main purpose of self discipline, when you know, then obviously you want to become a successful. And in this books I like one line: everything is hard before it's easy. And when you start doing something in your life, firstly you face lots of problem, then you start then obviously you want to become a successful person in your life. And I learned in this books how to manage your time, how to manage your whole day, all the things available in this books. When you read, you get you understand all the things. And all the pupils not understand and not read because only ambitious persons they know and they understand and read because
Okay, so we have limited time and we have to cover everybody. Okay, so you need to tell something about this book, what you have learned from.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Satyendra Verma, and my topic is about No Excuses book. No Excuses book is a good book, and I am reading this book from 1 week, and I get many things from this book, like how to achieve your goal. And this book is written for ambitious person and determines the man and woman who want to achieve something in their life. So I also I recommend to you should also read this book.
Great, nice. Start.
Good morning everyone, my name is Glab Savanur. Today I am going to share my experience with this book, The Power of Self-Discipline, No Excuses, written by Brian Tracy. In this book I have learned the importance of self-discipline in life. When I read, then I understand that the self-discipline can change whole life. Can change whole life. Sir.
Okay, that's great. Good. Next. No problem. It's okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Jagriti Verma. I learned lot of things in this book. At first I learned what is self-discipline. So self-discipline, what you should do when you should do it, whether you feel like or not. And self-discipline is the key of success, because success is possible only when can you master of your emotions, appetites and inclinations. And I learned in this book by setting our goal, work on it honestly, because when we work on our goal honestly, so we can easily achieve our goal.
Great.
My name is Tukmadi Verma. No Excuses book is very good book, because how can use spare time and how can achieve goals. Many things I did learn this book, and how can many steps written in book. How can we should make relationship what is right and what is wrong. Many things I did learn from No Excuses book. Thank you.
Okay, great. Next.
Good morning everyone, my name is Priya Yadav and today's my topic is No Excuses book, written by Brian Tracy. So this book written for who want to do success in their life. This book written by ambitious person who is anger more than what is possible in their life. So in this book very famous title is self-discipline. So without self-discipline we can't do anything. Self-discipline is key to success. When you will become self-disciplined person, then you will forget to making excuse. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kajla Though. I am share my experience of No Excuses book. This book is written by the Brian Tracy and I have learned many things from this book. The first is self-discipline. Self-discipline is very important for achieving our success. If you want to become a successful person in your life, then you must read this book. And I have learned take control of yourself, your emotions and appetites. If you control yourself, then you can achieve your goal very easily. And I have learned winners take first step, they don't delay on someday else. They are never stop learning and growing. If you once stop learning and growing, then your momentum is also stop, and it's very hard to start again momentum. And I have learned and I like one line most. You become what you think most of the time. So think positive every time. When you think positive, your environment is become positive and it's give you positive energy. Then you feel very good and you want to achieve your success very easily. And take your and cut your goal into steps and set your deadline. If you set your deadline, you can work on under the pressure and then you can achieve your goal in a very certain time. Thank you.
Good. Next.
Good morning everyone, my name is Silpi Yadav. I have learned many things from this book, No Excuses book. I have learned from Brian Tracy said that if you want to do something, do it or don't do it, but don't do it at all, but don't make excuses for not doing it. Whenever we want to do something, there are many excuses for not doing it, because of which we are not able to even start for success. Self-discipline is most important for our whole work, and it is needed for our every work of life. If we have self-discipline, then we can set our goals and then we can achieve our goals. Thank you.
Next. 11.
I don't have book, but I heard only cell phone. So,
Okay, no problem. What you have learned that you can share.
So no excuses book is very useful to improve almost any area of life. And if you want to achieve your goals, so you want to do something every day, not waste your time to shortcut.
Okay, great. And anybody wants to? So this is a very interesting book. I would recommend you all that you should also read this book. This book will make you learn English, as well as it will just change your mindset also. So you all should keep reading. When you will start getting this book, certainly it can change your life. Okay, so I hope you must have enjoyed.